South Carolina man executed by firing squad is the first U.S. prisoner to be killed this way in 15 years. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A South Carolina man who killed his ex-girlfriend's parents with a baseball bat was executed by a firing squad yesterday, the first U.S. prisoner in 15 years to die by this method, which he saw as preferable to the electric chair or lethal injection. 3 volunteer prison employees used rifles to carry out the execution of Brad Sigmund, age 67, who was pronounced dead at 6:08 p.m. Sigmund killed David and Gladys Lurk in their Greenville County home in 2001 in a butch plot to kidnap their daughter. He told police that he planned to take her to a romantic weekend, then kill her and himself. Sigmund's lawyer said that he chose the firing squad because the electric chair would cook him alive, and he feared that the lethal injection into his vein would send a rush of fluid and blood into his lungs and drown him. The details of the South Carolina's lethal injection methods are kept secret in South Carolina, and Sigmund unsuccessfully asked the state of the Supreme Court on Thursday to pause his execution because of that. On Friday, Sigmund wore a black jumpsuit and a hood over his head, and a white target with a red bullseye over his chest. The armed prison employee stood 15 feet or 4.6 meters from where he sat in the state's death chamber, the same distance as a backboard is from the free throw line on a baseball court. Visible in the same small room was the state's unused electric chair. The volunteers all fired at the same time through an opening in a wall. They were not visible to about a dozen witnesses in a room separated from the chamber by a bullet-resistant glass. Sigmund made several heavy breaths during the 2 minutes that elapsed from the hood was placed to the shots being fired. The shots sounded like they were fired all at the same time and made a loud jarring bang that caused witnesses to flinch. His arms briefly tensed when he was shot, and the target was blasted off his chest. He appeared to take another breath or two with red stains on his chest, and a small amount of tissue could be seen from the wounds during his breaths. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.